Sharks. What is quick? What is quiet? What has 5 rows of teeth? What glides through the water? Chomp. It's a shark. Sharks live in all of Earth's oceans. They have been here for a long time. Sharks were here before dinosaurs. Word bites. Cartilage. Cartilage is light, strong, and rubbery. The tip of your nose is cartilage. Can you feel how soft it is? Shark tail fins are larger on top. This helps them move through the water better. This is a hammerhead shark. If a shark loses a tooth, a new one moves forward to takes its place. A shark is a fish, but a shark is not like other fish. Sharks do not have bones. They have soft cartilage instead. Cartilage helps sharks twist and turn. Cartilage helps sharks move and bend. Shark skin feels bumpy and rough. It's hard like sandpaper. It protects sharks and helps them swim faster. Shark pups. Shark babies are called pups. Some pups grow inside their mothers. Other pups hatch from eggs. Lemon shark pups grow inside their mothers. The lemon shark mother goes to shallow water to give birth. The pups stay near the shallow water until they are grown. This is a lemon shark. These fish are called remoras. They hang around sharks and eat their leftovers. This is a mermaid's purse. Swell shark pups hatch from eggs. The mother sharks lay the eggs in hard cases. People call the case a mermaid's purse. This is a pup coming out of its egg case. Swell shark mothers lay up to 5 egg cases at a time. In 9 months, the swell shark pups are born. Pups grow up. This is a nurse shark. Predators are animals that eat other animals. Prey are animals that are eaten by other animals. When shark pups grow up, they are awesome predators. They have many ways to sense their prey. Did you know a shark can smell blood from miles away? It can smell 1 drop of blood in 25 million drops of ocean. Sharks can see better than humans can. Even in deep, dark water, a shark can see its prey. Sharks taste a test bite of prey before eating. Their taste buds tell them if the prey is fat enough to eat. This is a great white shark. What big teeth you have. Sharks have many rows of teeth. They are always losing some teeth. They are always growing new teeth. A shark uses up more than 10,000 teeth in its life. This is a sand tiger shark. Different sharks have different teeth. Their teeth are perfect for what they eat. Long, spiky teeth are for catching. Flat teeth are for grinding. Serrated teeth are for ripping. Serrated means when something is serrated, it has a jagged edge, like a saw blade. Wow, prehistoric sharks had really big teeth, up to 6 inches. Good thing these guys are extinct. Prehistoric is a time before people wrote things down. Extinct plants and animals are no longer alive on Earth. The Megalodon is a prehistoric shark. Scientists made a life-size model of the Megalodon's jaw and put in the teeth they have found. You can imagine how big the shark must have been. Imagine this. A giant shark is gliding through the water. A swimmer is nearby. The shark gets closer. It is huge. It opens its giant mouth and sucks in a big mouthful of water. The swimmer is fine. The shark is a whale shark. Whale sharks are the biggest sharks, but they have tiny teeth. They eat tiny animals called plankton. blue ribbon sharks. There are about 375 different types of sharks. In first place, we have the weirdest, the hammerhead shark. A hammerhead shark has a head shaped like a giant hammer. Its wide head is great for hunting. In first place of the smallest, we have the spined pygmy shark. The spined pygmy shark is about 8 inches long. It has a glow-in-the-dark belly. In first place of the creepiest, we have the great white shark. When a great white shark bites its prey, its eyes roll back into its head. This protects its eye. In first place of the fastest, we have the Mako shark. The Mako is the fastest shark. It can swim up to 20 miles per hour. Makos leap clear out of the water to catch prey. Now you see them. Some sharks glow in the dark. Do you see something shiny in the water? Watch out. The tiny lantern shark is covered with a glow-in-the-dark slime. The lantern shark is a deep-sea shark. Many deep-sea animals glow. Scientists think glowing might help predators attract prey. Now you don't. Most sharks are hard to see. They have a dark back. From above, they blend in with the water. They have a white belly. From below, they blend in with the sky. Some sharks have special ways to hide. Wopegons have colors like the sea floor. Their mouths have parts that look like seaweed. Fish swim in, but they can't get out. Shark attack. One day, Bethany Hamilton went surfing. Suddenly, a tiger shark attacked. It tugged her as she held onto the surfboard. It took a big bite out of her surfboard. It also took Bethany's left arm. After the attack, Bethany wanted to keep surfing. She is not afraid to go in the water. She knows that shark attacks are rare. Bethany says, "One thing hasn't changed, and that's how I feel when I'm riding a wave." People attack? Shark attacks are scary and terrible. Sharks can be a danger to people, but people are a bigger danger to sharks. Millions of sharks die in nets set to catch other fish. Others are killed on purpose. Many types of sharks may become extinct. Sharks have been on Earth for millions of years. Sharks and people need to learn to share the sea.